Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to use the image cleaning mouse mode in the Imalytics Preclinical software. So the image cleaning mouse mode is this one here, this blue pencil, and it is meant to perform an operation on the image itself, which could be the underlay or the overlay. So it always works on the one you select here, the selected layer. And when you select it, you will get, when you select the image cleaning mode, you will get here a special toolbar for it. And you can set a target value, for example, -1000, which corresponds to air for CT images with Hounsfield units. And then you can draw here in the slice, you can select something, and that will be set to this value, to -1000. And if I now slice through, you will see that it has just the entire image, so it completely goes through the whole stack. And that is useful to remove parts like the mousepad here. So let's get rid of this part also here. And this part also. Oops. And here, this mousepad there, it's good to be a bit more tight, because then you don't lose much of the mouse. Like this, and now we have cleaned it. We can look at it in 3D here by adjusting the windowing to better see the mouse. And now you can see it here. And the mousepad is pretty much gone. We can try to work on those parts also. But let me undo this. So let's get it all back. Because I want to show you that it also works in 3D here. So you can also draw this region in 3D and get rid of all the voxels that are projected onto your drawn region. Like this. Might need some careful alignment here with these lines. Like that. Yeah, for example. And there's another nice trick. Here, if you have a certain thing with a fixed thickness, like the bed here, which we can also measure here with a ruler, it's around 1.6 millimeters thickness, then you can use the image cleaning with the sphere mode, and you can enter the thickness here, 1.6 millimeters. And then you can draw here the bed, or draw the whole thing, and it'll work like a acid, like it etches away this thickness, so it doesn't go through completely. If I turn it off, if I draw something, it'll completely go through, punch a hole through the mouse. But with the sphere mode, it'll just etch away a certain thickness. So let's make it a bit more here. And you can, so if I now select the whole thing here, see it etched away 1.7 millimeters in thickness of the bed. But sometimes it's handy to get rid of these things that have a certain thickness, like that. Although it may also be easier to just remove it like this, because it's so nice and straight. Okay, so let's try to get rid of this part here on the front. That's a bit more difficult because the mouse is sticking the head inside, so we can go piece by piece. Try not to cut away part of the mouse. here. And here the sphere mode can come in handy, so we can kind of edge it away. Without hitting the mouse, hopefully. Make it a bit lower. Or use the regular mode here for the big parts. Can be a bit tedious, but you can clean away these parts with more or less effort and get a clean image of your mouse. And yeah, I hope this helps. Okay, bye bye.